Back up. Back up. To support or assist someone. Back down. Back down. To withdraw from a position or argument. Back out. Back out. To withdraw from a commitment or agreement. Back off. Back off. To retreat or move away from a confrontation. Back on. Back on. To resume an activity or return to a previous state. Back away. Back away. To move backward, often in fear or caution. Back up. Back up. To make a copy of data or information. Back into. Back into. To reverse a vehicle into a parking space. Back out of. Back out of. To withdraw or pull out of a commitment. Back up. Back up. To accumulate or gather support.